Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best application for crypto, Coinbase versus Crypto.com. Let's begin. So we're going to start off with Coinbase, and let's see what kind of benefits Coinbase has. Now, Coinbase is one of the most beginner-friendly platforms for buying and selling and storing cryptocurrencies. Now, the pros is that it has ease of use. Its simple interface makes it ideal for beginners. It has wide availability, supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, making it a solid choice for diverse portfolios. And it also has high security. It offers insurance for funds stored on the platform and robust security features like two-factor authentication. So there it is, login security. And then you can also update or upgrade your security settings. So if you scroll down here, it says ways to improve your login security. You can use a strong and unique password. Then you can also use the two-factor authentication that I just recently talked about. And then you can also use the security prompt. And there's also some great learning rewards. Users can earn free crypto by completing educational modules. So if you go to the Learn tab, you can go to Tips and Tutorials or Crypto Basics. Now let's move on to the cons. There are some extremely high fees. Coinbase charges significant fees for transactions, especially on the standard platform. And there is limited advanced features. It's not ideal for advanced traders unless they use Coinbase Advanced Trade, which offers lower fees and better tools. Now let's move on to Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a comprehensive crypto platform that combines trading, staking, and even spending crypto via its Visa card. Let's move on to the pros. Now, there are low fees, so that means there are competitive transaction fees, making it a cost-effective choice. And then we go to staking rewards. It offers high interest rates on crypto staking, making it great for passive income. Then it also comes with a crypto Visa card. It allows users to spend their crypto while earning cashback rewards. And then we also get some advanced features, includes margin trading, derivatives, and DeFi tools for more experienced users. So if you want to see the prices, you can go to the top here where it says Discover, and then go to Price. There you can see all of the prices for the different Bitcoins and other cryptocurrencies. So there's DeFi, and then we have GameFi. We have yield farming, and then we have GameFi. You select GameFi, it tells you what GameFi is, and it's going to show you a bunch of games that you can play. Then if you go to DeFi, we can go to yield farming, and it gives you a really comprehensive insight into yield farming and its benefits and which cryptocurrency is supported. So let's move on to the cons. It has a complex interface. The app can feel overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive features. And then the last con is that you might have a little bit of trouble when you're trying to contact customer support, because there have been some complaints where people say that the customer support is not really helpful and it takes time for them to respond. So some users report slow or unhelpful responses from customer service. So which one is better? In my opinion, I believe that Coinbase is a great alternative as it is simple and it has better security. While Crypto.com is ideal for those who want to maximize value and explore additional features like staking or crypto spending, your choice depends on your experience level and trading goals. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.